Welcome to another video, guys. We're here at my dad's house and we have, sorry I'm in the car in a weird angle, but it's super windy outside, so I wanted y'all to get a clear intro of the video. Anyway, we have a watermelon and Austin installed a watt box, which is a wide open throttle box. Basically it makes you have anti-lag, two-step, launch control, stuff like that. So anyway, we're gonna be right here and we are going to be trying to explode a watermelon with his exhaust. His car is a 2005 3-valve Mustang. As y'all may know, it's black on black and it's slow as hell, but this thing has the gnarliest, I'm telling you, the gnarliest backfire I've ever heard of any car right now. I mean, it's not like a Civic for Texas 2K or a Supra, but for a Mustang, it's probably the loudest two-step I've ever heard. So here we go. We're gonna try to blow up a full-size watermelon.
I say put some under the block and then back over so it stays there.
But like you put it right here, right?
Yeah, pick up
right
the block
here.
then a little bit. Here's Austin trying to make sure his car explodes this watermelon. He's cheating. I'm just kidding. Val, you think it's gonna explode this watermelon?
Yeah, bro.
I think Val's car can explode it, but he doesn't have an exhaust. Let's see what happens to exhaust. No, bro, Val's car made so much power, the titanium tip came off. Hey, you made so much power, bro. 400 horse, right?
Nah. Like 325.
325? 325, and he's calling out all NAZs out there. All right. You gonna try it? Yo. Bro, your car look good, bro. I ain't gonna lie, that shit look good now when it's lowered.
Yeah.
He lowered it, it looks so much better. Kind of like Austin's car when he lowered it. That shit looked so much better. Why isn't it not popping? It's scary. It's scaring me because it's not popping. God damn! Oh shit! No! That was so loud! It blew all the f***ing tape off of it.
Oh, look at it.
Maybe it's not close enough.
It's kind of dead.
Dude, that popped my eardrum.
Hey, you got me, bro. I'm
Look at Gary, she's like, who shot a 50 cal?
That block is heavy as shit.
Closer? Yeah.
We're gonna try to move it a little bit closer.
Bro, it's so freaking loud.
I don't think your car's powerful enough.
I don't think so.
Go ahead.
Right, came off.
That shit's loud.
Yo, that shit's stupid.
I'm depressed, Austin.
I'm very
Depressed.
too. I thought it could do it.
God dang it. All that for nothing. You know what, guys? We haven't told y'all, but the EcoBoost is now tuned, and I feel like that car's gonna freaking whip its ass later, so we're gonna find out. It's definitely faster than Austin's car by a lot now.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, we've been holding out and telling y'all we tuned this car. I actually made a video a while back on it, but the video content got deleted because I don't know why. But anyway, let's give y'all a little brief review of the car. It has a catless downpipe, which is actually not on the car at the moment, but catless downpipe. It's very dirty right now, as y'all can see. It's all stock under the hood. except for I have a neat little drop-in K&N filter. That is about all that's aftermarket under the hood. Other than that, we have the coilover full adjustable suspension on it and stock tires, but the tires are actually bald, like completely bald. They're basically slicks. And oh, he has radials on it. Other than that, it's alright. I think it has a chance. Not doing anything. That was a fail. Damn, Austin, that's a fail. Dude, I really think your car is gonna like wax the f out of the Mustang.
I just don't know. Huh?
So I'm riding with Val.
There's freaking watermelon. You're gonna have to clean the lens on this camera. There's watermelon all over my car. I mean, my car. All over Austin's car and my camera lens and camera and everything. But just so you can see, Austin's car can pop a watermelon. That was try number like 65,000, but we got it. Austin's pretty amazed right now. He's pretty, I don't know.
I knew we could do it eventually.
Shoot. Anyway, we tried it. We conquered it. The watermelon finally blew up. Hell yeah, brother. Now, all right, guys. As y'all saw, we popped the watermelon. Now I'm washing my car because, like I said, June 20th, which is tomorrow, we will be in Dallas or Ennis, Texas, for the what are we going for? Streetcar takeover. And we'll be out there selling merch. So make sure y'all are out there. Like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and have a freaking awesome day.